Have you ever been in the middle of a great design in Canva only to get stuck because something won't move or change? You try to click on an image or text box and then you see a little gray lock. It says, "Lock cannot be edited." It's frustrating, right? But this problem is easy to fix. Let me walk you through it. First, let's break down what's happening. When Canva shows a gray lock and tells you that the element cannot be edited, it means the object or even the whole page is locked. You can't move it, change it, or delete it. This lock is a feature, not a bug. It's there to stop changes to items that someone, maybe you or someone else on your team, meant to keep in a place. But if you didn't mean to lock it, it can definitely get in the way. Let's fix that lock so you can get back to your design. When you click on the element that's locked, look up in the top right corner of Canva's editor. Do you see a small icon that looks like a pencil with a lock? If yes, click twice on that icon. That's it, just 2 clicks. After that, the element should be unlocked. You will be able to move it, resize it, or delete it, whatever you want. But sometimes you won't see the pencil or lock icon. You will see a closed lock icon by itself. This means the whole page is locked. Don't worry, it's even easier to fix. Just click that closed lock once. The whole page unlocks. Now, every element on the page should be free to edit. You might be wondering how the page or the item got locked in the first place. There are few reasons. You or someone else on your team locked the item to stop accidentally changes, or you used a template with locked elements. It is also possible that Canva sometimes locks things by default in pre-made layouts. Locked elements can be helpful when you want to keep part of your design safe, but if you didn't mean to lock it, it just slows you down. So, once you unlocked an item, check if you really need to lock it again. If you are working with a team, talk to them about locking items only when needed. That can save someone a lot of time and stress. That's all there is to it. A couple of clicks and you are back to editing your Canva project. Now you don't need to get stuck wondering why something won't move. Next time you will see that gray lock, you will know exactly what to do. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you.